Good afternoon to all of the students. We are on the second chapter, classification of elements. Now yesterday we are discussing about the atomic size. We have seen atomic radius as in a picometer and nanometer. Now as I told you, whatever k element cell, valency is on the lastmost. K belong to 2, L belong to 8, M belong to 18 and N belong to 32. We have to arrange according to this one, k element, whatever the electronic configurations. A simple example I told you yesterday as in a sodium 11, 2, 8 and 1. According to 11, first 2 will come and then 8 will come and then last whatever the remaining will be 1. So we are discussing about the atomic size. Atomic size, as I already told you, it is depending on the distance between the nucleus of the atom and the outermost cell. That we are telling as an atomic radius. Distance between nucleus of the cell, atom and the outermost cell. जो outermost cell होता है और nucleus of the atom होता है उसके ऊपर depend करता है atomic radius. Now you will observe atomic radius is expressed. We are depending how the unit is there. Of the length is meter, centimeter. The atomic radius is also as a unit that we are telling as a picometer. And smallest one is the nanometer. Picometer we are telling as in a 10 raised to minus 12 meter. Now some of the element you will observe, element O, B, C, nitrogen, oxygen, boron, carbon, nitrogen, barium and lithium, as I told you yesterday about the atomic radius, this one. If you will observe, now just see, atomic radius goes on decreasing, means whatever the atomic radius are continuously decreasing when going from left to right. Whatever the radius are going continuously decreasing from left to right. Whatever the reason, because of the atomic number. The atomic number are continuously increasing from left to right. Meaning that whatever the positive charge of the nucleus they are telling is also increasing. जो positive charge होता है वो भी increase होते जाता है इसमें. और जो additional electron है, whatever the addition means extra electron on the outermost cell, they are also increasing because of the increased nuclear number. Increase बोलता है जो nuclear charge रहता है ना वो continuously increase होते जाता है. And because of the greater extent. Now use your brain, they are telling. Now according to comparison you will observe element and the atomic radius. Now it is in a picometer. Potassium they given, sodium given, rubidium given, cesium and the lithium. Potassium is 231, sodium 181, 244, 262 and 152. They are telling according to this radius. If you will observe, they are telling, if you will observe the modern periodic table, you will observe that some of the groups are belonging to the element. Find out the groups. अपने को find out करना है कि कौन से group में belong करता है. First group, second group, third group. There are 18 group and 7 period. So this potassium, sodium, rubidium, cesium, lithium, they are belonging to which group? We have to see. Now arrange about the element vertically downward in an increasing order of the atomic number. You have to arrange according to vertically downward. Means up to down you have to arrange it in an increasing order. Now does the arrangement match with the pattern of group 1? If you will arrange and you have to find it whether it is matching to the group 1. Group 1 means the outermost cell has an 1. Outermost cell has an 1. As an example of the hydrogen, sodium. In the case of sodium you will observe 2, 8, 1. Hydrogen is 1. Means the outermost cell has an 1, 1. Which of the element has the biggest and the smallest atom? We have to find it. Which is the biggest one and which is the smallest one? What is the periodic trend? And we have to find it which kind of the periodic trend are there in the atomic radius down from the group. Means according to group we have to find it which kind of the group are there, and according to period we have to find which kind of the periodic pattern are there in this. So you will observe that while going down a group, if you will go according to the group from downward, you will observe the atomic size are increasing continuously in this because of the new cell are adding. Every time k element is adding. And whatever the outermost electron is also increasing because of the nucleus. जो outermost cell होता है nucleus की वजह से वो बढ़ते ही जाता है इसमें. And due to that reason the atomic size is also continuously increasing. जो atomic size होता है ना वो भी बढ़ते ही जाता है. It is also increasing because of the nuclear charge. Now we will see about the metallic and non-metallic character. Metal you know very well and non-metal also very well. But one most property are there that we are telling as a metalloid. Look at the element of the third period. We have to see at the third period and then we have to find out which is the metal and which is the non-metal. That one. Now we know that there are 7 periods and 18 groups. So in the third period you will see here. In the third period you will observe sodium is there, magnesium is there, aluminium is there, silicon is there, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine and the argon. According to the zigzag line, अगर zigzag lining देखोगे तो सोडियम है, मैग्नीशियम है, एल्यूमिनियम है. These 3 are belonging to the metal, and remaining silicon, phosphorus, sulfur and chlorine, they are belonging to the non-metal. Now on which side of the period are the metal? They are telling left or right. If you will observe, the period are belonging on the left, metal are belonging on the left. On which side of the period did you find non-metal? You will observe on the right hand part, the non-metal are there. Now as what I told you, the metallic elements sodium, magnesium are on the left side, and while on the right hand side you will observe chlorine, sulfur, chlorine are on the right side. That is a non-metal one. The metalloid we are telling as in a 2 type. The metalloid is a property of the both the thing, metal and non-metal. Metalloid has a property of both the thing, metal and non-metal. That is on the zigzag line. You will observe on the 26th line. 26 page number we are learning on presently on this paragraph only. So yeah, that is a zigzag line separate the metal and non-metal in this. And the zigzag line you will observe the left line, left part is on the metal and right part on the non-metal. But one of the shaded part you will observe, the block you will observe, the blue block is in a metal, then metalloid they given on the both of the left and right middle part. बोलते ना लेफ्ट और राइट की जो zigzag लाइनिंग आ रही है, दैट इज मेटोलॉइड इज समझ 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 7 आर मेटोलॉइड्स आर देयर इन दिस. 7 इसमें मेटोलॉइड है, इसमें जो zigzag लाइनिंग के अरेंजमेंट में है. एलिमेंट अपीयर ऑन द सच अ वे दैट दे आर फ्रॉम द लेफ्ट साइड ऑफ द लाइन. ये एलिमेंट किस तरह से लेफ्ट साइड की लाइन में है, और नॉन मेटल ऑन द राइट हैंड साइड, एंड द बॉर्डरिंग लाइन बिलोंगिंग टू द मेटोलॉइड्स. Now here the chemical property of the metal and non-metal are little bit different. The chemical property are depending a simple ionic compound. Chemical formula they are telling us an ionic compound that the cation in them is formed that a metal. Whatever the cation is forming a metal, while the anion is forming a non-metal. Cation is a positive and anion is a negative. Always the metal of the outermost cell will give the positive charge to the other, not the non-metal, so they can complete their octet. Former you will observe they are telling as a valence electron. This property is called as an electropositivity of the element. जब मेटल बोलते हैं ना उसके आउटर मोस्ट सेल का 1 2 बोलते हैं ना 1 2 3 मीन्स वॉट एवर द मेटल व्हेन दे आर गिविंग 1 2 3 आउटर मोस्ट सेल ऑफ द इलेक्ट्रॉन टू द नॉन मेटल, so they are becoming the electropositive. And when non-metal are taking that 1 2 3 cell, outermost cell of the 1 2 and 3, so they are becoming as an electronegativity. जब मेटल आउटरमोस्ट सेल का जैसे कि 281 है, 282 है, 283 है, तो लास्ट का 1 2 3, द आउटरमोस्ट सेल ऑफ द 1 2 3 दे आर गिविंग टू द नॉन मेटल, दे आर गिविंग टू द नॉन मेटल. तो देन दे आर बिकमिंग, व्हेनेवर द मेटल आर गिविंग टू द नॉन मेटल, तो दे आर बिकमिंग एज एन electropositive. But when the non-metal are taking, so it is an electronegative characters in this. So this problem. On the other hand, when the non-metal, as I already told you, the non-metal are taking as a tendency form an onion. Means non-metal क्या करता है, metal से outermost electron लेता है, तो क्या form हो जाता है वो electronegativity. But on the last 18 group, the 18 group is the noble gas. The 18 group, one group as a noble gas is there, so they are not taking as an from the another one, they are not taking from any of the metal and non-metal. बोलते हैं ना noble gas stable है, इसके outermost cell complete ही रहता है, 8 18 32 on the outermost cell always are there. Now electron in the innermost cell, inner cell lie between the valence and the nucleus. जो electrons है उसके inner cell में रहते हैं और valence में रहते हैं, जैसे कि 2 8 like this way. The number of valence electron in metal is small. The valence cell electron, as I told you, as an 2 1 2 8 1 2 8 2 2 8 3 like this way. The outermost valence cell, जो valence cell क्या होगा, जैसे कि 2 8 1 है तो 1 valence cell हो गया, 2 8 2 है तो 2 valence cell हो गया, 2 8 3 है तो 3 valence cell हो गया. So like this way they are telling in the metal 1 2 3 as an valence cell. 1 2 3 as an Also the effective number of the exacting means the attracting force of the valence electron is very small. Whatever the attractive means जो attractive force होता है valence electron का, जैसे कि 1 2 3 है, this one will go in the 7, 6 will go in the 2 and 7 will go in the, जैसे कि 7 1 पे जाएगा, 6 मेरा 2 पे जाएगा, 3 मेरा 5 पे जाएगा, इस तरह से वो ऑक्टेट कंप्लीट होता है. In this manner the electronic configuration has been completed. तो वॉट ओवर द इलेक्ट्रोपॉजिटिविटी इन द मेटल, इलेक्ट्रोपॉजिटिविटी किसके अंदर आता है, मेटल के अंदर आता है, क्योंकि ये 1 2 3 जो आउटर मोस्ट सेल है इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन का वो कंप्लीट होता है. बट इन द सेम मैनर इफ़ यू विल ऑब्जर्व in the case of the non-metal, the non-metal has an electron capacity also as an 1 2 3, but in the non-metal case you will see as an 5 6 7 in the outermost cell. non-metal में 5 6 7 वो outermost cells में आते हैं. तो the periodic trend in the metallic character of element is clearly understood from the positions. According to the positions you will come to know, from the left metallic character are there, from the right as a non-metallic character are there, and zigzag lining you will observe from the left and right that belong to the 7 metals belong, 7 element are belong to the metalloids in this. So in the non-metal case you will observe that is the decreasing character. They are telling as an electronegativity. नॉन-मेटल में हम लोग इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिविटी बोलेंगे इसको, कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स की. नॉन-मेटल की इसकी कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिविटी बोलेंगे. जैसे कि मेटल्स की कैसे इलेक्ट्रोपॉजिटिविटी थी, इसमें नॉन-मेटल की इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिविटी. नाउ इन द केस ऑफ इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव, व्हाई दे आर टेलिंग इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिविटी, दे आर टेकिंग अ इलेक्ट्रॉन फ्रॉम द आउटर मोस्ट सेल फ्रॉम द मेटल. जैसे कि 2 8 1 है तो 1 मेरा नॉन मेटल में चले जाएगा. जैसे कि जिसके पास 2 8 7 है तो 7 विल टेक अ 1, दैट इज 7 + 1 8. तो लाइक दिस वे 2 8 8. तो 1 इज गिविंग फ्रॉम द मेटल, तो 1 मेटल विल बी अ इलेक्ट्रोपॉजिटिविटी, बट इन द केस ऑफ नॉन मेटल दैट विल बिकम एज एन इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिविटी. द मेटेलिक कैरेक्टर्स ऑलवेज इन द ग्रुप्स इंक्रीजिंग, वाइल द नॉन मेटेलिक कैरेक्टर ऑलवेज डिक्रीजिंग. जो नॉन मेटल रहेगा वो डिक्रीज़ होते जाएगा और मेटल मेरा इंक्रीज़ हो जाएगा. बट फ्रॉम लेफ्ट टू राइट जो आउटर मोस्ट सेल है वो सेम टू सेम ही रहने वाले हैं और मेटल्स मेरा क्या रहेगा, पॉजिटिव चार्ज में ही रहेगा. हाँ, द मेटल विल बी इन द पॉजिटिव चार्ज एंड एटॉमिक रेडियस विल गो ऑन डिक्रीजिंग बिकॉज ऑफ द न्यूक्लियर चार्ज. हाँ, न्यूक्लियर चार्ज एक तरफ इंक्रीज़ हो रहा है. हाँ, द न्यूक्लियर चार्ज भी आर कंटिन्यूसली इंक्रीजिंग एंड एटॉमिक चार्ज आर कंटिन्यूसली डिक्रीजिंग बिकॉज in the case of metal the metals are losing the electron. मेटल क्या कर रहा, लूज़ कर देता है इलेक्ट्रॉन को और नॉन मेटल गेन करता है. मेटल भले ही लूज़ क्यों ना कर दे इलेक्ट्रॉन को तो भी वो पॉजिटिव रहेगा और नॉन मेटल गेन कर रहा है तो भी क्या होगा, वो नेगेटिव में ही जाएगा. दैट टू फैक्टर्स आर देयर, इंक्रीजिंग न्यूक्लियर चार्ज एंड डिक्रीजिंग एटॉमिक कैरेक्टर्स, एटॉमिक रेडियस. हियर न्यूक्लियर चार्ज आर इंक्रीजिंग बट एटॉमिक रेडियस आर डिक्रीजिंग in this case from left to right, and this is the main responsible. Because of this reason the nuclear charge are increasing, and valence electrons you will observe they are more effective. वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन जो रहते हैं ना इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव में ज़्यादा इफेक्टिव रहते हैं और बिकॉज ऑफ दिस रीजन दे आर कमिंग इन द इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिविटी कैरेक्टर. एंड इन द इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिविटी फ्रॉम लेफ्ट टू राइट वॉट एवर दे आर गेनिंग द इलेक्ट्रॉन, वो एक्सेप्ट करते रहते हैं इलेक्ट्रॉन मेटल से. हाँ, वो एक्सेप्ट करते रहते मेटल से इलेक्ट्रॉन, तो उसके जो इलेक्ट्रॉन्स की जो कैपेसिटी रहती है ना आउटर मोस्ट सेल इलेक्ट्रॉन्स वो बढ़ते जाते हैं, दे आर इंक्रीजिंग. एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दिस रीजन दे आर कमिंग एज एन इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिविटी. द नॉन मेटल कमिंग इन द इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिविटी ऑफ द कैरेक्टर्स. What is the cause of the non-metallic characters of element? क्या होगा non-metallic characters का? What is the expected trend in the variation of the metallic character from left to right? Expected क्या रहेगा left to right में? Here we have seen एक बोलते हैं ना उसका increasing character है, दूसरा decreasing character है, electropositivity, electronegativity, all these things. What would be accepted trend in the variation of the metallic characters from elements of the down a group? Accepted characters में क्या होगा, बोलते हैं ना क्या expectation है non-metallic characters का? Now in the case of the halogen family you will observe that is group 17. we will discuss this thing and I will send the notes of this chapter. You have to complete it.